You turn the key, the engine cranks, but it just won't start. Frustrating, right? Today, I'll show you the top 5 checks you can do yourself. Fuel, ignition, air, battery, and computer. So you can diagnose and maybe even fix it on the spot. Grab your tools, let's get started. First, check the fuel. Is your gas gauge low, or could the gauge be faulty? Listen for a faint hum from the fuel pump when you turn the key. No sound could mean a bad pump or no power. If you hear it, check fuel pressure with a gauge at the fuel rail. No pressure means a pump or clog issue. If pressure's good, check the injectors with a annoyed light or listen for clicking as you crank. No click? The injectors aren't firing. These quick checks can save you a lot of time. Let's move on. Next, spark. Inspect ignition coils for cracks or burns. Use an inline spark tester. No spark or weak spark means a coil or signal problem. If you have spark, pull a plug. If it's fouled or worn, replace it. Still nothing? The crankshaft position sensor could be bad. Scan for codes with an OBD-II scanner to confirm. Spark is critical. Don't skip these steps. On to air. Engines need air. Check the air filter. If it's clogged, replace it. Next, inspect the MAF sensor. Clean it gently if dirty, but never touch the wires. Look at the throttle body. Carbon buildup can block airflow. Clean it if you see a thick black ring. A clear air path is essential for starting. Now, let's check the battery. A weak battery can crank, but not start your car. Use a multimeter. 12.4 to 12.6 volts is healthy. Below 12.2 means trouble. Check for corrosion on terminals and clean them for a solid connection. Even a good battery can fail if the terminals are dirty. Don't overlook this simple fix. If the battery's good, let's check the computer. If you've checked fuel, spark, air, and battery, scan the ECU for codes with an OBD-II scanner. Look for codes on sensors like crankshaft or camshaft position. Watch for a flashing key or padlock light on the dash. This means the immobilizer is blocking the start. Try your spare key. If it works, your main key's chip may be bad. If neither works, the security system may need dealer attention. Modern cars rely on electronics. Don't skip this step. Let's wrap up. Check fuel, spark, air, battery, and computer before calling a tow. Most crank no starts are solved with these steps. Keep a multimeter, spark tester, and OBD-II scanner handy. You can fix more than you think. Don't be afraid to try. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep wrenching.